Hello everyone, welcome to Cambridge Primary Science Stage 6, Chapter 2, Living Things in the Environment. Today we are going to discuss about deforestation. Let us discuss about Wangari Maathai. She is a Wangari Maathai, the Green Lady of Kenya. Wangari Maathai was born on a farm in Kenya, and when she was growing up, the land was fertile and the water in the streams was clear. Land was good for cultivation and there was abundance of vegetation. Later, she became a professor at Nairobi University, and when she returned home, she saw the rivers were filled with sand and mud that had washed off the land. So, this was because of the deforestation, cutting down of trees. For many years, the forest had been cleared to grow coffee and tea. With no more trees to hold the soil and keep it fertile, the land became drier and soil was washed away in the rivers. Then the women in the rural villages had to walk further and further to get the wood for the fires. Wangari Maathai started the Green Belt movement. She organized for the women in the villages to be paid for planting the trees. Today, women have planted 40 million trees in Kenya. They have provided a better environment for their children and their grandchildren, and they have helped to stop the global warming, that is, the increase in average temperature of the Earth atmosphere due to heat. In 2004, the Wangari won the Nobel Peace Prize for her environmental work. Let's discuss question and answers. Why did deforestation take place in Kenya? Land was cleared to grow coffee and tea, so that's why the deforestation takes place. What negative effect did deforestation have on Kenya's land? Land became drier and soil washed away into the rivers. That is a negative effect. Earlier, the land was fertile, but after deforestation, the land became drier. Explain how to rural women in Kenya have helped to stop the global warming. They have planted 40 million trees, and all these trees are now taking carbon dioxide from the air and releasing the oxygen. Let's discuss about Nobel Peace Prize. Which country organizes it? Norway organizes the Nobel Peace Prize. Who else has won the Nobel Peace Prize in recent years? Leo Szijjarto in 2010, Barack Obama in 2009, Nelson Mandela in 1993, and Mikhail Gorbachev in 1990 has won the Nobel Peace Prize in the recent years. Thanks. Do like and subscribe my channel. Bye.